Hello, I'm Emirishan and today we're going to talk about Dashicons. Dashicons are WordPress built-in font icons that you can use as an alternative to Fontello and Fontawesome and other font icons. You can use these icons both in the admin and public area of your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. WordPress Dashicons is available at the address of WordPress developer resources/Dashicons. If you open the main page, it randomly generates an icon for you. You can see the information of this icon here, and also you can see that they categorize the icons like welcome screen, admin menu, post formats, media, and etc. If you select an icon like this, you can see that which category it belongs to, the name of the icon, and 3 options for copy the code. Copy the CSS, HTML, and Glyph code. If you check out your WordPress dashboard, you can see that in its menu, every item has a specific icon. Posts, media, pages, and etc. They all have specific icons. And you can see a pen icon here, you can see arrow icons here, a home icon here, and the main use of this icon is in the WordPress admin, and you can use it in the public area without a slight modification. You can use Dashicons when you're creating a menu item, a post type, and whenever you wanted to have an icon in your WordPress website. Let's see how we can use it when we want to create a menu item. I created a test environment that I code in the functions.php of my theme file. When we want to create a menu item, we need to hook into the admin menu action hook. It's always a good practice to start your functions and variables name with a prefix. I used DI prefix here that stands for Dashicons. In the callback function of the admin menu hook, we need to call the add menu page function that accepts certain parameters. The last parameter of this function is icon URL, that you need to use the icon name of Dashicons. In this example, I'm using admin appearance. So you need to copy the name and paste it there. When you save this code and see the WordPress dashboard, you can see the new menu item. In my WordPress dashboard, I see a new menu called Dashicons as I called it here. When we check the content of this menu item, we see nothing and an error that tells us that the callback function doesn't exist. So we create that callback function. Here in our code, we need to create this Dashicon test callback function. In this callback function, I'm going to show you how to use these icons in your HTML code. Remember those 3 options in the icon page. One of them was HTML. So when you click on copy HTML, you get a span tag with a class of Dashicons. Feel free to use it for the I tag too. So when you click on OK, so now I just pasted this code here. I'm gonna show it in a headline tag. I put this code in a h2 tag, and when I refresh the page, I can see the title and the icon here. You can see our heading 2 and our icon here. Another way to use this Dashicons is with CSS. You can use it as the content of your pseudo elements like after and before. I'm gonna write my styles just right here like an inline style, but you don't do like this. This is just a test to show you how to use it, but you don't use it this way. You put your style in another file. I'm gonna give my heading to a class and write the styles for it. Now we're going back to our first option in Dashicon page, which was called copy CSS. I hope you remember it. When we click on this, you can see that we're getting the content of it. I copy and paste the code there. I forget to put the before pseudo element there. You don't forget it. One more thing we need to do is to define the font for this content, and that would be Dashicons. And Now when we refresh the page, we can see that we still have the icon here as before. Another way to use Dashicons is when we register a new post type. So in the next lines, I'm going to register a new post type and assign a new Dashicons to it. We need to hook into the init action hook to register a new post type. In the callback function of the init action hook, we need to call the register post type function. The first parameter of this function is the post type name, and the second parameter is an array of arguments that one of its fields is menu icon. As before, you need to put the name of the Dashicon here so it appears in the admin area. I choose this music icon and copy the name of it. You can set the other parameters as you want. And when you check the WordPress admin area again, you can see that our new post type is here. As you can use other font icons for your WordPress public area, Dashicons is still a good option. It's already included in WordPress and has a diverse variety of font icons. But Dashicons is only enqueued in WordPress admin area. For using it in public area, you need to enqueue the style for the public area. I'm going to show you how. WordPress uses a hook called WordPress enqueue scripts for enqueuing styles and scripts. You need to hook into this and called Dashicons styles. In the callback function, I'm going to call wp_enqueued_style. You don't need an address for this function as you might do for your custom styles. You just need to write the Dashicons name here. And with this simple trick, you can use Dashicons in your WordPress public area. One more thing is the third option here, copy glyph. You can use this to copy this glyph and use it as it says in your Photoshop text field. Share this video if you think it'll be useful for someone else and subscribe for more development videos.